pursuing legal action. This after Justice and Correctional Services Minister Michael Masutha denied the former apartheid-era police colonel and death squad commander parole.
The families of some of de Kock's victims were not consulted during the parole process.
A much-anticipated news conference, but the 65-year-old de Kock's hopes for freedom dashed.
I have not approved parole at this stage.
Due process was not followed.
I am of the view that it is fair and in the interests of victims and the broader community that the families of the victims are afforded an opportunity to participate in the parole consideration process.
De Kock was in charge of a police death squad at Vlakplaas outside Pretoria. In 1996, he was convicted and sentenced to 2 life terms for 6 murders and to a further 212 years on several other charges. De Kock later testified before the Truth and Reconciliation Commission. He provided chilling details of killing sprees.
And we took him down to the groove of the mine, which there was already a block with 25 kilograms of plastic explosives. When Mabota turned around, I shot him with 2 shots in his heart, one after another.
De Kock was granted amnesty for some of his crimes, but the TRC found that others could not be justified as politically motivated. He has already served 20 years. His lawyer says the minister is wrong.
He's bringing in factors that are not applicable to the parole regime that is applicable to de Kock. The next step will be to launch a review application to the High Court to substitute the minister's decision.
De Kock will spend at least another year behind bars. Masutha recommended a further parole report be resubmitted within 12 months. Sipho Sturman, SABC News, Pretoria.